10 Healthiest Snack Foods for Your Body. In this video, I will be disclosed to you the 10 healthiest snack foods for your body, so if you are excited to see what's coming up, press the like button and subscribe to this channel to get daily videos for your health. Eating a snack between meals helps curb your hunger so that you don't inhale your dinner when you finally sit down to eat a meal. Snacking can also help you get in all the nutrients you need. On the flip side, grazing all day, particularly on foods with little nutritional value, may result in eating too much. Almonds. Nuts are a great healthy snack. And even though they're high in fat, you don't need to avoid them if you're trying to lose weight. Plus, almonds deliver filling fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Almonds help keep hunger at bay, improve your heart health, and may even help you lose belly fat. A serving of almonds, 1 ounce or 23 almonds, has 164 calories, 4 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. Grapefruit. You don't need to go on a grapefruit diet to reap the health benefits of this ruby fruit. A whole grapefruit has about 100 calories and 4 grams of fiber. Not to mention, it delivers 100% of women's vitamin C needs for the day. That's a lot of nutrition packed into this tart citrus fruit. Chickpeas. Keep chickpeas in the pantry. They have a meaty texture and a nutty flavor along with plenty of satiating fiber and a little protein, perfect when you're watching your weight. Try roasting them for a crunchy snack that packs up easily. Half cup of chickpeas has about 100 calories, 5 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fiber. Grapes. Toss grapes in the freezer for an easy snack. Because they're sweet and you savor them individually and slowly, you'll get a lot of satisfaction for just a handful of calories. Even though grapes are high in sugar for fruit, they are a great way to naturally satisfy your sweet tooth. 1 cup of grapes has about 100 calories. Chocolate. Losing weight doesn't mean giving up the foods you love. Believe it or not, giving yourself little treats may be the secret to losing weight for good. Aiming to be too good sets you up to fail and doesn't allow you to fully enjoy your food. Popcorn. Popcorn is high in fiber and even delivers a little protein. A 1 ounce serving, about 3 cups, of air-popped popcorn has 4 grams of fiber, almost 4 grams of protein, and clocks in at 110 calories. This combination makes it a snack with staying power. Popcorn is actually a whole grain and 3 cups is a huge serving, especially when you compare it to other crunchy, salty snacks like chips. Yogurt. Choose plain yogurt and add your own fruit for natural sweetness and fiber. Flavored yogurt often delivers lots of added sugar and extra calories. Whole milk and low-fat plain yogurt are healthy choices too. Newer research on dairy has debunked the myth that fat-free is healthiest. Hummus. Skip the vending machine and satisfy the afternoon munchies with a healthy snack you packed at home. You'll save money and get a bigger bang for your nutritional buck. Try cut up veggies and some hummus. 1 serving of hummus is 2 tablespoons and paired with vegetables can help satisfy your hunger. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a complex carb, meaning it helps fill you up without spiking your blood sugar. Plus, it's a good source of fiber, and eating more fiber helps people lose weight and keep it off. While we think of it typically as breakfast, a small bowl of oats makes a hearty, filling, and delicious snack. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is a portable, healthy snack. Eating fruit helps with weight loss because it's packed with filling fiber, and important vitamins and minerals. Look for fruit with no sugar or sweeteners added and pair dried fruit with nuts for a snack with a balance of healthy carbs and protein.